Before buying the Cadillac Escalade, one should know the pros and cons. We have identified the top 12 pros and cons which one should be aware of before buying a Cadillac Escalade. Let's go over the top 12 pros first. Number 1. Space and comfort. The Escalade is a large vehicle that provides ample space and comfort for passengers, making it a good choice for families and groups of friends. Number 2. High-end technology. The Escalade is known for its advanced technology and features, including a premium sound system, cutting-edge infotainment system, and advanced safety features. Number 3. Luxury brand. The Cadillac brand is synonymous with luxury, and the Escalade is a luxurious vehicle that provides a high-end driving experience. Number 4. Performance. The Escalade is equipped with a powerful engine and is known for its smooth and responsive ride, making it a good choice for those who enjoy driving. Number 5. Towing capabilities. The Escalade is capable of towing substantial loads, making it a good choice for those who need to tow boats, campers, or other equipment. Number 6. Style and design. The Escalade is known for its bold and stylish design, and it is a vehicle that will make a statement on the road. Number 7. Resale value. Luxury vehicles like the Escalade generally have a higher resale value than more affordable vehicles, making them a good investment in the long term. Number 8. Capabilities. The Escalade is equipped with four-wheel drive, making it capable of handling rough and challenging terrain. Number 9. Advanced safety features. The Escalade is equipped with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making it a safe choice for drivers. Number 10. Comfort. The Escalade is a comfortable vehicle with spacious seating, soft touch materials, and a quiet cabin, making it a good choice for long drives. Number 11. Versatility. The Escalade is a versatile vehicle that can be used for a variety of purposes, from transporting family and friends to towing heavy loads. Number 12. Prestige. Owning a Cadillac Escalade can be a source of prestige and status, as it is a well-known luxury vehicle with a strong reputation. We have covered the pros. Let's go over the 12 cons which one should keep in mind before buying a Cadillac Escalade. Number 1. Cost. The Escalade is a luxury vehicle, and as such, it is more expensive than more affordable SUVs. Number 2. Fuel efficiency. The Escalade is a large and heavy vehicle, and as a result, it is less fuel efficient than smaller and more efficient vehicles. Number 3. Maintenance costs. Regular maintenance and repairs for the Escalade can be expensive, as parts and labor for luxury vehicles are generally more expensive than for more affordable vehicles. Number 4. Environmental impact. The Escalade is not an electric vehicle, and its gasoline or diesel engine will have an impact on the environment. Number 5. Insurance costs. Insurance costs for the Escalade are likely to be higher than for more affordable vehicles, due to its high cost and luxurious features. Number 6. Size and parking. The Escalade is a large vehicle, and as a result, it can be difficult to park and maneuver in tight spaces. Number 7. Dependence on fossil fuels. The Escalade is not an electric vehicle, and it is dependent on gasoline or diesel fuel, which can be expensive and have a negative impact on the environment. Number 8. Limited fuel options. The Escalade may only be available with gasoline or diesel engine options, limiting the fuel choices available to drivers. Number 9. Weight. The Escalade is a heavy vehicle, and as a result, it can be less agile and more difficult to handle than lighter vehicles. Number 10. Noise. The Escalade is equipped with a large and powerful engine, and as a result, it can be noisy on the road, particularly at high speeds. Number 11. High operating costs. The Escalade is a luxury vehicle with high operating costs, including fuel, maintenance, and insurance expenses. Number 12. Limited efficiency. The Escalade is not known for its fuel efficiency, and its large size and powerful engine can result in higher fuel consumption. By considering these additional factors, you can further evaluate whether the Cadillac Escalade is the right choice for you. It's important to consider your personal needs and preferences when choosing a vehicle, as well as your budget and driving habits. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.